Yeah, it's your girl, I got the juice, and today we're doing a wig review from Unice here. Outside, I got some goodies, I got some lashes, I got a wig cap. I believe this is a makeup brush and a band, and we about to get right into it and shit out this wig though. Tell me this don't give Beyonce nose. This is giving Renaissance. Baby, sit me on the horse. Sit me on the horse. I'm ready. Put me on the horse. Okay? Get into the inside. Breathable. Breathable wigs. Okay, baby, it's not gonna be too hot. No, it's very full. Statement, period. Let's get into putting her on. And she glueless. Lace came pre-cut. This come with a adjustable band, so I adjusted it to my size because baby I need my wigs to be secure. Okay, put her on, push this little piece to the back. Okay, this is what the lace is looking like before I add a little spray to a little hairspray, just a little bit. But baby, when I say she's secure, she's not going antique wear. She ain't going nowhere, baby. She is secure. Let's lay down a little bit of the lace. We're gonna go in with some Treasure Dream with the Super Freeze spray. We're gonna spray just on the hairline. Okay. We're gonna let that dry a little bit. And as you can see, one side is already down. We're just gonna take the edge of a rat tail comb, whatever edge brush, and we're just gonna lightly tap the lace. Just tap it. You can use your finger too if you feel like it. Just tap it so that it lays down, and literally the minimal, nothing too serious. Okay, now we're gonna go in with our Unice band. And another alternative for my girlies who don't like hairspray or anything like that, you can definitely go in with some wrap lotion. Get you some mousse or whatever. Put it on the spaces where I just did my hairspray. Put it on there. Put your band and you're ready to go, okay? So we're gonna go ahead and bend this mama down. Sit a little piece. Get into it. Yeah. I love this look. The hair is super lightweight but full, and with the type of construction that this wig is, chef kiss, because baby it's not high. I don't feel like my head is sweating. I don't feel like it's heat. My head ain't itching because it's very airy and breathable, and I'm gonna show y'all what I mean. See, we got construction to literally go straight through. It's airy. But yes, y'all, I really love this wig. If y'all want this wig, y'all can find the details down below. And again, this is a 6x4. Came pre-cut, color already there, lace literally melted, no worries. And the construction on the cap is breathable and airy. Baby, you cannot go wrong, babies. Definitely give it Beyonce. I need to be on stage on the horse. Very Renaissance vibes. You see what I'm going? Yeah.